Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the entire solar system in a simple and easy way. Our solar system is made up of the Sun and 8 planets that revolve around it. The Sun is the center of everything. The first planet is Mercury, the closest to the Sun and extremely hot. Next we have Venus, also known as Earth's sister planet. But its temperature is so high that life cannot exist there. The third planet is Earth, our home, and the only planet where life is found because it has water, air, and the perfect temperature. The fourth planet is Mars, the red planet. Scientists believe that one day humans might even live there. The fifth planet is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that more than 1,300 Earths can fit inside it. The eighth and farthest planet is Neptune, extremely cold and the farthest from the Sun. And that's our solar system. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next science video.